Hello friends, in this video we are going to create custom attributes in the customer table. I have already created the module and see we have added all the customer attributes here like this. So you can add the customer attribute like this and you can save that customer attribute here. So how we can generate these attributes via programmatically? Let's check how we can create this. So first of all, go to the directory. You have to go to the app code and module name, that is the module name. Then we have the customer attribute section. You need to generate etc setup composer registration in etc basic module, that is module.xml. Okay, and in setup there is one file install data.php. Okay, and composer.json you can copy and paste from any module, and registration php you need to just add your name and the module name. Okay, vendor and the module name. In setup, that is the main file install data.php, that is the namespace. Okay, and the rest are the modules of the magento that we need to add. After that we have the customer section, install module. Here we have set up the startup setup, and here we are just adding the attribute to the customer entity. So whatever you want to add the customer entity, you can add it from here like this. Add attribute code, you can just this code, then add attribute code, then this add attribute code. So this way you can add the multiple attributes and push all that values in that array. And after pushing all this array, everything we have added, after that in the last we need to for each the loop attributes to add, that is all the attributes and the code. Attribute customer setup get env config, and customer attribute we need to put the entity and the code, what the code we have added. And we can add the data attribute set id, group id, and where we have to use admin html customer. Okay, and then we can attribute the save and set up the startup setup. This way we can create the simple add customer section at any input, any toggle button with this file. So if you have any query regarding this, you can just let me know. If you have any questions, you can just let me know how if you are not able to create that custom attributes in the customer section, you can add it and then you can save it whatever required, and then you could call it in a view html, view phtml, and then we are done with this. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.